In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully sign up for Wix and get started on building your own website. Wix is a popular platform that offers a range of tools to help you create a stunning and functional site, whether it's for business, portfolio, or personal use. Let's dive in to see how you can get started. First, you'll need to choose your preferred method to sign up for Wix. This step is crucial as it provides multiple options to fit your convenience. You can sign up using your email and set a password, which we recommend for its straightforwardness and ease of management. Alternatively, if you're looking for quick access and integration, you have the option to use your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID accounts. Each of these methods offers a seamless experience without the need to remember another set of login credentials. Once you've settled on a sign-up method, it's time to fill in your details. If you've chosen to use your email, you'll start by entering your email address. It's important to use an email account that you frequently access for ease of communication and security verification. Next, create a strong password. Consider combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to bolster security. After confirming your password, you'll need to agree to Wix's terms of use and privacy policy by ticking the respective box. Finally, go ahead and click the sign up button to proceed. The next step involves confirming your email address, which is a vital security measure. Head over to your email's inbox and look for a confirmation email from Wix. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk mail folders just in case. Once you find the email, click on the verification link provided. This will activate your account and grant you access to start creating your website. Once your account is verified, it's time to set up your Wix account further. Log in to gain access, and once inside, you'll be prompted to answer a few questions to better tailor your experience. Think about your primary goal for the website. Is it for business, a portfolio, a blog, or something else? Your choice here will help Wix suggest relevant templates. Additionally, you'll need to decide whether to utilize Wix ADI, which offers automatic site creation, or Wix Editor if you prefer to manually customize every detail. Both options have their advantages depending on your level of experience and desired control over your site's design. Now that you're logged in and set up, you can start building your website. From your dashboard, navigate to Create New Site. At this point, you have the flexibility to either select a template that catches your eye or let Wix ADI automatically create a site for you based on your previously selected preferences. Take your time with this step to ensure the site aligns with your vision and requirements. And there you have it. You are now on your way to creating a personalized website with Wix. Remember, each step offers an opportunity to tailor the experience to meet your specific needs and preferences. Happy website building!